What is setup.py? What is setup.py and how can it be configured or used?
Setup.py is a Python file, the presence of which is an indication that the module/package you are about to install has likely been packaged and distributed with distools, which is the standard for distributing Python modules. This allows you to easily install Python packages. Often it's enough to write pip will use setup.py to install your module. Avoid calling setup.py directly. This URL.
It helps to install a Python package foo on your machine, can also be in virtualenv, so that you can import the package foo from other projects and also from IPython prompts. It does the similar job of pip, easy_install, etc. Using setup.py. Let's start with some definitions. Package, a folder/directory that contains _init_.py file. Module, a valid Python file with .py extension. Distribution, how one package relates to other packages and modules. Let's say you want to install a package named foo. Then you do. Instead, if you don't want to actually install it but still would like to use it, then do. This command will create symlinks to the source directory within side packages, instead of copying things. Because of this, it is quite fast, particularly for large packages. Creating setup.py. If you have your package tree like, then you do the following in your setup.py script so that it can be installed on some machine. Instead, if your package tree is more complex like the one below, then your setup.py in this case would be like add more stuff to setup.py and make it decent. The long underscore description is used in pypi.org as the README description of your package. And finally, you're now ready to upload your package to pypi.org so that others can install your package using pip install your package. At this point there are two options. Publish in the temporary test.pypi.org server to make oneself familiarize with the procedure, and then publish it on the permanent pypi.org server for the public to use your package. Publish straight away on the permanent pypi.org server if you are already familiar with the procedure and have your user credentials, for example, username, password, package name. Once your package name is registered in pypi.org, nobody can claim or use it. Python packaging suggests the twine package for uploading purposes of your package to pypi. Thus, The first step is to locally build the distributions then using Twine for uploading either to test.pypi.org or pypi.org. It will take few minutes for the package to appear on test.pypi.org. Once you're satisfied with it, you can then upload your package to the real and permanent index of pypi.org simply with Optionally, you can also sign the files in your package with a GPG BY. Bonus reading. See a sample setup.py from a real project here, TorchVision setup.py. PEP 517 Setup Tools. Why Twine? Using Twine.
Setup.py is Python's answer to a multi-platform installer and makefile. If you're familiar with command line installations, then make and make install translates to Python setup.py build and Python setup.py install. Some packages are pure Python, and are only byte compiled. Others may contain native code, which will require a native compiler, like GCC or CL, and a Python interfacing module, like Swig or Pyrex.
If you downloaded package that is setup.py in root folder, you can install it by running. If you are developing a project and are wondering what this file is useful for, check Python documentation on writing the setup script.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.